Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Carib Cement has resumed the cement dispatch operations at its Rockfort plant following the passage of Hurricane Melissa. Having completed checks to verify the well-being of its employees and contractors, the company undertook thorough safety inspections and restoration activities to ensure that all areas of the plant were secure and structurally sound before resuming any operations. Given strong inventory levels and fully stocked packing warehouses, Carib Cement stated that it can meet market demand without any supply chain disruptions. At present, the manufacturer also holds over 33,000 tons of clinker, which can produce 44,000 tons of cement. Rubis Energy Jamaica has announced the resumption of the haulage and dispatch of fuel to several of its service stations across the island following the passage of Hurricane Melissa. Fuel distribution recommenced as early as Wednesday after the completion of a comprehensive post-hurricane assessment. Since then, the company has continued to reopen its service stations island-wide, including those located in the hard-hit parishes of Westmoreland, St. James, Trelawney, and Manchester. The Rubis Westgate service station in Montego Bay, St. James, remains open 24 hours. Mikel Mataltino, CEO of Rockfort-based Rubis Energy Jamaica, is reassuring the public that the company maintains adequate fuel reserves to meet market demand. The Inter-American Development Bank, IDB, said it is ready to extend up to US $300 million to Jamaica through its emergency credit line to support the country's emergency response to Hurricane Melissa. The bank will offer the credit facility upon the government's request in the form of fast dispersing resources to support humanitarian assistance, restore essential services for the population, and back other emergency measures being implemented. I quote, "We are working hand in hand with the government of Jamaica and its partners to address the devastating impacts of Hurricane Melissa," said IDB Group President Ilan Gold-Fayan. For the trading period ending October 31, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Wigton Energy Limited with 27,408,889 units, or 33.58% of market sales volume. AMG Packaging and Paper Company Limited with 16,249,970 units, which represents 19.91% of market sales volume. Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited with 7,065,559 units, representing 8.66% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On October 31, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US 54.73 million purchased and US 51.97 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.86 per dollar, selling the US at $161.47 and buying the US at $159.61. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $3.05 per transaction, with selling at $117.32 and buying at $114.27. The British pound yielded Forex traders $1.04 in profit, with selling at $213.99 and buying at $212.95. For our credit report tip of the day, when everything falls apart, where do you begin financially? Actually, it's your credit report. And it's treated like a scorecard that you avoid, but it can become the first steady step towards rebuilding. I've seen clients walk through loss, divorce, business failure, and still use that single document to start again. It tells you what lenders see, where the errors hide, and which small moves will open bigger doors. So start very simple. If you have internet access, pull your free credit report from the major bureaus and read every line. Flag errors or accounts you don't recognize and dispute them immediately. Ladies and gentlemen, we are in the period of identity theft and fraud. List accounts by interest and impact. If you have any collections, any charge-off accounts, any current balances. Make a realistic payment plan. The banks don't know what's happening in your life. Call them. Even tiny, consistent payments beat inaction. And the inaction is natural if you feel overwhelmed. But add positive activity. On-time payments, a secured card, or a small installment loan you can repay. In our funded and focused feature, where we look at the different ways you can bring cash into your life. When there's been a horrible, terrible disaster, first thing to know, you're not alone. Second, there are immediate concrete steps you can take to stop the slide and start rebuilding using what you already have. So let's consider short, practical survival and a restart plan you can use right now in the immediate 24 to 72 hours. So first, practice deep breathing. And then list your essentials: food, shelter, medication, utilities, childcare. Then make a quick money list. What's due this week, next week, what's overdue. And if you have access to your online banking or you're going to go physically into the bank, freeze, stop any non-essential spending on your credit card, like subscriptions, any streaming. Stop takeout. And contact anyone you owe money to. Don't wait. People are more likely to negotiate if you call early. And then find one fast income move you can do this week. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.